Mama, come and meet my beautiful girlfriends. I want you to choose for me who I'm going to marry of the two of them.
Your beautiful girlfriends.
Here they are.
Good afternoon, ma. Afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma.
Afternoon, how are you?
I am fine, ma.
So you want to marry them?
I want you to choose which of them I'm going to marry. This is Ella.
Yes,
this is Miracle. Please choose for me who I will marry.
You will marry her.
Ma.
You will marry her. So you people want to marry my son?
Mama, what's your problem now?
You want to marry my son, right?
Why did you slap me? That I want to marry your son is not good reason for you to slap me, Mama. It's not a bad thing.
Miracle, babe, calm down. This is my mother.
I should calm down for what? Why did she slap me? I want to know the reason why she slapped me.
Just calm down. Take it easy. Please, this is my mother you're talking to here.
Your mother. So you brought me here to embarrass me. You brought me here so that she would slap me up and down. I don't understand.
I didn't know she was even going to do that. Mama, but why? Why would you slap them like that?
Why wouldn't I slap them? Mama, you can even slap me again. Mama, you can even match me. Mama, match me, I don't mind. Mama, you can even match me. Mama, I don't mind. Mama, bring all your clothes and let me watch for you. I can watch it for you. Mama, please, I will do anything for you. You can slap me here. Mama, slap me again. Mama, no, slap me again. You slap me again, yes. Mama, do it. Mama, I don't mind. Yes. Mama, see, I love you so much. You can even slap me again. You see your son. I love your son so much. Mama, you see this family. I love your family. I want your son to marry me. Mama, I'm a good girl. I will obey you. I will do anything for you. Hey, Mama.
Mama, what's the matter?
My son. You see this girl? That is doing, Mama, slap me. She lie down flat. Mama, anything you say, she's the bad one. She's very bad.
I was wondering why you slapped them like that.
Why won't I slap them? I want to test them to know the one that is good for me to marry. See, let me tell you. You see that one that said, why will you slap me for the first time? That one that wear brown. That one is, she's a nice one. But did you see that one that wear gown?
But Mama,
Maybe Amaka.
she was insulting you now. The one that is wearing...
Forget about the insult. Forget about the insult. Let me tell you, whatever I sit down and see, even if you climb up on top of the tree, you will not see it. I have checked two of them. The one that is good for you to marry is the other one. The one that is half yellow. The one
that's Miracle.
One. That one that you propose. You see this one that say, Mama, slap me. Mama, I love your son. I love you. Lie.
Mama, are you sure?
She's pretending, you know. She's a pretender. Just do as I said. Let's go back and pretend as if. Just propose the other one. Let's go back.
Okay. I'm so sorry for the embarrassments. I'm really sorry. Mama, you shouldn't have done that.
Yes.
You shouldn't have. Miracle.
Mama, it's nothing.
My mother called me to the side and she told me that you are the right woman for me. Yes. I couldn't believe it myself because at first I was upset that you were talking back at my mother the way you did. I didn't expect that. But she told me that someone like you who is able to speak her mind is the person that is real. And so because of my mother's advice, I have decided that you are the woman for me. Yes.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, you are the one for me.
So why the slap in the first place?
It was just a test. That's what she told me. She just wanted to know your temperament.
Your mother has a single bone.
I understand.
My daughter. It's okay.
It's okay.
So Ella, as you can see, the choice has been made. Yes. It can't work between us.
It can't work between us. See, Mama. So you slapped me for the first time and I left you. Are you mad? What kind of rubbish is this? So you brought me here to embarrass me.
Did you just hit my mother?
Yes, and I will do it again. Are you stupid?
Oh my God.
Are you mad?
I'm sorry.
Can you imagine? So you brought me here to disgrace me after kneeling down for your mother. So Mama, I worship you so that you will be keeper. See, this woman, don't even provoke me.
I can't believe this.
What kind of rubbish is this?
What happened to the good girl that you were pretending to be just now?
See, let me think. I was just pretending so that I will marry you. I was just pretending. I endured that slap because I wanted to marry you. Can you imagine this old fool? You raised this your stupid head on me.
Hey, don't go close to my mother again. Don't do it before I show you a different side of me. Just get away from here.
Can you imagine?
Leave this place.
Stupid old fool.
Leave
Hey!
I am going for good.
Come on, leave this place.
Nonsense.
Hey! I told you. Have you seen it? I told you that she is evil.
Mama,
This girl.
thank you so
She's
much.
a pretender.
I am so happy that I followed your advice.
You see?
Hey,
My daughter.
I wouldn't have seen this.
You see?
All the time I've been dating her, I have never seen this kind of anger in her.
These kind people, you don't know them. My daughter, let's go inside so that I can give you something to eat.
It's okay, Mama. It's fine.
Sorry for the slap. Yeah?
Thank you, Mama. It's fine. It's okay.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You have seen the best girl for you to marry.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.